זהו.
Hello, my name is Koren. I'm from Kirovit, and I like to demonstrate and explain about our refrigerator for trucks, cars, and tractors. The main basic unit cooling which cool our units are thermoelectric units which we developed a few years ago. You can see that this size is very cold. It is snow. You can see that the temperature now here is minus 70 degrees. What we are doing, we connect these units to various type of refrigerators, like here, and we remove the heat from the refrigerator through the cold side to the heat side and outside. Now, products we are like to show are from the beginning. The first one is the Tech 2000 type. The Tech 2000 type is mainly used in small cars, small trucks, tractors. We can show all type of features in which you use this refrigerator. Inside volume is about 15 liters. The refrigerator has an adapter which connect the adapter to the car and the refrigerator to the adapter. That is the method in which we use in all our refrigerators to fix the refrigerator inside the car or truck. The main use of our unit is that we can make easy maintenance of the refrigerator. What we have to do is only to open two screws and to change the failure unit in the new one. It makes the maintenance very easy, cheap and available. Now I like to show the other types of our refrigerator. The other types we do is the R60 product. It's very old. We developed it in 15 years ago, and we are going to change it in the new and much better one. The problem of these refrigerators are mainly that the user is not able to see the bottle. So the new one will be with big cover, while the size of the refrigerator will be such one. The RK60 is a copy of an original Volvo FM truck from between 95 and 2000 years. We have a stock of few hundreds of these units, which is enough for us with this year, but the new types will start to manufacture during 2010. Other type of refrigerator we have in various stage of development are the UTR. UTR has to be used under the bed of the driver of heavy trucks, and today we are various types of prototypes where we are not continuing it until we be sure the prices in which you can sell it will be low enough. Today it's very expensive. The last one is the R116, is a big one, and the truth is that is a bigger one. We are not going to continue the manufacture of this type of refrigerators. Our main problem until today was the manufacturing here in the country is too expensive, and we have no choice but we have to travel and move the manufacture from here to China. We are in the final steps of moving the refrigerator. The type 2000 is moved, and we start the manufacture in the beginning of this year, and the first models will be here in the beginning of May of the end of October. This type we are going to start at in the beginning of May, and I believe that at the end of September they will be ready. The last thing that I like to show is the meaning of TBG in the refrigerator. I like to demonstrate it in in the refrigerator type Tech 2000, but the TBG is mounted in all our refrigerators. You can see that although the refrigerator is connected to the power supply, and the power supply show 12.7 watts, the refrigerator doesn't working. It's not working yet. Now the refrigerator start is working only when the voltage will be more than 30 volts. You can see it works now. After the driver shuts down the car and the refrigerator continue to work until the voltage will become lower than 11.7 volts. That ensure us that the battery will be full, and the driver can use and start the engine in any time. This method works also in 24 volts. You can see that when the voltage of the car is 26.2 volts, the refrigerator starts and works. At the moment that the voltage is less than 23.4, the refrigerator shuts down automatically and again leaves the battery full and enable the driver to start the car. Thank you. The rest of the data sheet will be sent and picture will be sent by mail. Thank you very much.